Hi, this is Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1. Look what we found at our local Costco. These are Costco exclusive American Girl Ballerina dolls. There are 4 kinds: a blonde with blue eyes, a Latina, a black girl, and an Asian girl. We bought the Asian ballerina. Look how beautiful she is. They retail at $130 at Costco. You get a doll with the outfit that she's wearing, plus an extra practice outfit. It's not a bad deal, but it's not a great deal. Last year they had Blair with an extra outfit and a pig, or Luciana with an extra outfit and a telescope. They both cost $130 as well. It comes with this book. It teaches you how to make and keep friends. Here's the practice outfit. It also has this $20 off coupon. There's a code at the back that you need to enter at checkout. I think she's really beautiful. I like how her skin tone and the color of the outfit go well together. There are 8 pink rhinestones decorating her outfit. They are not Swarovski crystals, but they're still beautiful. I guess she's kind of a budget version of the limited edition dolls this year. The light pink part of the top and the top skirt are made out of velvet. There's real embroidery made with golden thread. I'm really impressed with the quality. There are 4 layers of tulle on the skirt. The shoes look like they have sequins on them, but it's an optical illusion. The sequins are printed on the fabric. They do look pretty realistic though. The front of the shoe is soft, not hard like the real ballerina shoes. I really love this tiara. The colors complement the outfit so well, and the rhinestones are super sparkly. This is what she looks like completely out of the box. I also removed the netting from her hair. I'm planning on dressing my dolls in Nutcracker outfits this year. She'll fit right in. I think her right eye is a little wonky. I'm still going to keep her, but we might swap her eyes. If you're planning on buying one of these dolls from Costco, pay attention to their eyes. Pick the ones with the most normal eyes. These shoes are super cute. I don't know about you guys, but I just love them. Super adorable. The tights are just regular tights. Be careful with them, they'll snag easily. This is the extra practice outfit. It's simple but cute. It doesn't come with any shoes, just leg warmers. I like this sweater a lot. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a sparkly golden thread, so it kind of shimmers in the sun. Very pretty. The skirt is just one layer, it's super thin and transparent. The leg warmers are the same as Courtney's, just a different color. And the leotard is made out of stretchy cotton fabric. It does not have any Velcro. You just need to pull it on the doll. This is what she looks like in her practice outfit. Which one do you like better, performance or practice? Please let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new videos. We usually post every Wednesday and Saturday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time!